Changing your phone number on Square is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your contact information. Step 1. Log into your Square account. Visit the Square website or open the Square app and log in using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings. This is usually found in the menu, often represented by your profile picture or an icon. Step 3. Select personal information. In account settings, look for the section labeled personal information or contact information. Click on it to view your current details. Step 4. Update your phone number. Find the field that displays your current phone number. Delete the old number and enter your new phone number in the provided space. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new phone number, make sure to save the changes. Look for a Save or Update button and click it to confirm the update. Once you have completed these steps, your phone number will be updated in your Square account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Square's customer support for assistance.